Okay, ready for my close-up. Alrighty, we are here. We are trying this, and we are not giving up because it's Motivation Monday, bitch. I don't care who can see. I'm gonna do this. I don't give a fuck who can see me. I don't give a fuck who can hear me. I'm gonna get this done because it's what I've always wanted to do. To motivate people. My wonky eye. Wonky. Anyway, we're out here, with one of my most peaceful practices is gardening. I'm gonna show some pictures after, but this garden is thriving. Look at this corn, family corn. Look at this okra. And usually what I like to do is fight the June bug. Just kidding. They're eating up these corn, but we got plenty of corn anyway. It's gonna start raining again, which is exactly what I want. Yes. Anyway, so I brought this as my motivation, the swimming versus the gardening. I won't explain the swimming unless you pick it, but this one is most important to me because it's like these things need you. They need you to pluck its fruit or what's flowered. They need watering sometimes. These are refreshing moments when the nature does it for you. When I do it for it. And more corn. And I will just pluck or de-weed, whatever. Like it's cheap de-stressing things. I think one of my main focuses is the healthy coping mechanisms that you can do in real life that is actually like good for a lot of other people and yourself rather than what will hurt you. I think that one of the most important things to understand about what's healthy under my definition is what's going to make you feel like you hate yourself for no reason the next day. Also, when I would drink, or do anything that was like, I'm just gonna completely forget about what's happening, and it just makes things worse. So when you're sitting in your mind and you're feeling good, doing something that actually makes you feel good, your mind will try to, it'll put more happy thoughts in your mind because you're focusing on something that you feel happy. You don't need to be the best at it. You don't need to have the best garden in the world. You just need to, even just having something, if it's your avenue, of course, it'll cheer you up by just being like, let's see, let me show you an example. By just being like, watch my skills. That's helped me so much. Some people don't like de-weeding. You can have a natural garden, but for me personally, once I do that move, I'm like, yay, I did something. And you can and in a way it tricks your mind to be like, stop being hard on yourself. You did something that you actually like. Anyway, I guess the rain is beginning, which I will run in this grass with my neighbors watching, because I feel finally free. All right, well, we're gonna go inside now because that. I did that, but I should go inside. Thanks for watching. See you next Monday.